What's up, science team? I'm here with Alex Mandel.
What's up?
There's such a cool echo in here, by the way. Today we're gonna be doing an experiment with liquid nitrogen. We're gonna be doing liquid nitrogen rockets. We're gonna start small, and then we're gonna amp up to this really big thing at the end, which I've never done, which I'm calling the liquid nitrogen trash can rocket.
I don't like loud bangs. Is this gonna be loud?
No guarantees.
Okay.
Let's suit up and jump right into it.
I'm not super comfortable with when I don't know something's gonna go boom.
I'm not gonna David Dobrik you. The first thing is I'm gonna give you this, and I wouldn't drink that actually, it's really old.
We should taste it. It expired in 2017.
I'm actually really curious. What does this taste like?
It didn't even, it's flat.
Oh no! It's just like water. Well, that's good because we're gonna dump it out anyways. So that was your first task, was just to get rid of that. Second step is that we're gonna get nice and geared up. So do you want to do the first one?
Okay. Let's see how confident I am. Yeah.
Well then I'm gonna give you this.
Okay.
I only have triple XL. I even have a face mask for you.
Okay.
It has a like fire extinguisher residue from David's burning of the house. This is a thermos. This is just a regular thermos. This is what we use to transfer the liquid nitrogen from one of these guys. This is called a dewar. This is essentially this is a 10-liter thermos. And the liquid nitrogen just sits inside there. And what happens is it forms this little layer that's super cooled right there. And so it doesn't evaporate. We're gonna pour that liquid nitrogen into here. Bang! Oh my God! Literally wasn't expecting that. I was in the zone. Then what we do is we pour it in the bottle that you just poured out. And then we're gonna add some water to that. And then we're gonna flip it and watch some magic happen.
Do I need my eye protection?
Oh yeah, you should have your face mask on now. Perfect.
So I just turn it real fast.
Yeah. All right, turn it real fast.
And,
whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! My face mask off. It normally goes up, not sideways. You like turned it toward yourself.
I know, I went like this and it was like, whoa.
Where did it go? Here, let's go
blasted my face shield off.
We're gonna go get the bottle. I'm really curious about how it even got up there. Oh wow, tomatoes. All right,
the structural integrity is still great.
Yes. So are you down to do round two?
Yeah. Does everyone else feel safe enough?
Oh boy. All right, round two. The way this works is this, that liquid nitrogen it expands 700 times more in its gas form than it does in its liquid form. And so what's happening is as you're turning it over, it's building all this pressure here. As it expands into essentially air, it's forcing out the water, and that's creating jet propulsion at a very fast rate.
I mean, it crushed one of these, and these are really hard.
Oh wow, it did. Wow.
Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, that was airborne for a long time.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
It went on the other side.
It hit there.
Yeah.
That one worked.
That one. See, that one. I was like, breathe slow, turn, and fire.
Alex is in trouble by his parents.
Alex's parents.
Okay, I just got a text. Okay. The neighbor said no more. I'm just kidding.
I was like, no. This next one, here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna turn it, and I'm gonna try to get it go straight vertical, and then Alex, I'm gonna have you try to catch it before it ever gets to the ground. It's gonna be kind of like a Dude Perfect video, but I believe in you.
Okay. Thanks. One of us, but no, I can catch it.
Get it, Alex.
Stuck in the tree?
I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna try this, and then we're gonna...
See, well, you just gotta shoot it straight up in the air.
What? Oh my God! Okay, I did it wrong. It wasn't enough liquid nitrogen.
I didn't want to hit.
That was actually so close. All right, third time's charm. You got this!
Help your neighbors recycle.
Literally not a single one of them has gone into the tennis court.
You already getting
It caught some wind, it was like, All right, so for the second step, we're going to get a little bit bigger, and we're gonna go with 2 liter. I'm gonna dump this out and put water in there just so your tennis court doesn't get all sticky.
Does size matter?
For this video, yes.
Cool, but not in like real life or anything?
When you flip.
Oh God. You see me jump? I'm not already scared. Oh my God! Thank God for the face shield.
Oh my God.
You said it would blow up.
It's not supposed to blow up.
I don't like loud bangs. Is this gonna be loud?
No guarantees. It
God.
definitely blew up.
Yeah, next to my head. My ears are still, I hear. This was just to show you guys why safety is the #1 priority. This is gonna be great because on the next one, it's your turn. Oh, he's going back.
Ah, much better.
Catch it, catch it, catch it. Oh.
Hey!
He got it!
That was insane!
It's in the tennis court.
Wow! How did I get the best luck? And bro, you got the worst luck. How on earth? That was insane. I've never done that. That was crazy.
Just like mine.
This is a 2-person venture. I'm gonna pour the liquid nitrogen in this 2 liter bottle.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna throw it into that little bucket down there.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put the trash can on top of it. Go the other way around.
No, whatever you want.
Woo!
It's bananaed.
We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try the 5-gallon container. I'm gonna go ahead and try to bear hug this thing and get this thing up into the air. Let's see what happens.
This is for you guys to answer. If something blows up in your face and you try it again, is that bravery or stupidity? Whoa!
Oh my God!
That went down the canyon.
That like launched to Pasadena. I definitely want to get that back because if I ever want to do that experiment again, I need that container. So we're gonna go into the wilderness. This was the bottle that Alex had fail in your face.
Yeah.
There might have been a failure part here. It was really crazy. We did take precaution, face mask, gloves, full on lab coats because stuff like that can't happen.
My arms were covered, my face was covered, good. I'm in one piece.
All right, you got it, bro. Nice.
Whenever we were launching, we weren't afraid of it going into like a neighbor's yard. It's just mountains, and actually it goes that way for like thousands of acres. It might just be right over this ridge right here.
I think it is. Wow. I found it! Victory! It's literally like a SpaceX rocket. It shot up in the air and we recovered it. Okay, there we go, liquid nitrogen rocket.
Boom!
We started small, we went big, we ended with the liquid nitrogen trash can rocket. We sent one up and over this hill.
What blowing up in my face.
That one too.
Yeah, I remember that.
A reminder to always wear the proper safety equipment. Alex, you have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes, it's just youtube.com/AlexMandelVlog.
You'll find that in the description below. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you really soon.